Okay. Hi, Sarah.
What am I supposed to say? It's Snowpocalypse 2.0?
Yes.
We were idiots who went to New York City?
Yes.
And we may very well freeze to death?
Yeah.
And you're
That's right.
Get frostbite.
You betcha. Oh, let's see.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really a blizzard and it really sucks. It hurts. Okay, Sarah.
The fire truck got stuck. My mother, clinically insane. I hope my dialogue gets on the video for when
Mama
they
and
find
Grace
us.
are up ahead. Ow, that hurts my eyeballs. Let me see. Let me get the... Oh, there they go that way. Okay. All right. That's good enough, right? Bye, Sarah. Say bye.